Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you how to create nail art design at your home easily. If you need any tools of nail art design, the first is delightful dots. There's a good chance that every time you take a bobby pin out of your hairs, you leave it on your bedroom counter and it ends up getting knocked onto the floor, never to be seen again. Instead, pull its two prongs as far apart as you can and turn into makeshift nail polish dotting tool. Number two tool is wonderful watercolors. It is quite possible to turn each of your nails into a watercolor masterpiece per the beautiful manicure by Amy Ten. Ten tells Allure that she makes her color polishes with a few blobs of clear polish and paint. Number third is nifty neon tips. You know those do not shaped sticker you used to use in school to repair your whole punch paper when it ripped and fell out of your binder. Turns out those little stickers are a very valuable nail art cool tool when making this French manicure inspired neon tips. You might already have some lying around if you are live with a student. Otherwise, you can pick them up for a few bucks at your local office supply store. Tool number 4, random doodles. The daydreaming doodles you are drawn on the margining of your notebook page can actually serve as inspiration for your at-home manicure, as demonstrated by nail artist Kate Bonner. To take your doodles to your nails, Bonner advised finding a high pigmented color for design. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.